Hello, welcome. In this video we'll look at building the iconic Great Pyramid out of paper using basic tools and materials. The model features realistic textures, entrance, and interior pathway, portrayed as it is currently in today's day and age. The model is very simple to build. We can use mid-weight 45-pound paper to print on directly, or glue regular paper onto mid or heavy card. Optionally, we can cut out the pathway for a bit of 3D relief shown at the end of the video. The general build process entails cutting out, pre-shaping, and gluing tabs together. It's very easy, and there's multiple ways you can go about it depending on what tools you have available around. It should all work. In this particular model, the linear folds are most important to the overall appearance of the model. For accurate linear folds, it's easy to use a ruler or a triangular scale bar. We can align the ruler edge directly under the fold line and gently press over top of the printed graphic to make a crease. We can then fold over and make a nice crisp folded corner. For each piece, it's best to dry fit a couple of times, trying the piece on the final model, further shaping or cutting before fixing it permanently in place with glue. Each piece is labeled with a number in black. In red is the connecting piece number. A dashed line indicates a mountain fold with the edge towards you. A dashed dot line indicates a placement location of another piece. It's common with paper models to have to reprint a page and replace or stick directly over top. For this model, it was quite fast and surprisingly sturdy at the end for not using any cardboard and very little glue. Any sort of glue is fine for gluing the tops together, as they are hidden and out of sight. We can use multi-purpose glue, super glue, or a glue gun. Keep in mind the time it takes for glue to dry. Each edge should be fully dry before moving on to the next edge or moving the model. We can prop up the piece in place with tools we're not using until the glue dries up. You can also make a secret compartment inside of the cutout that only you know of, which could be quite fun. You can also build the throne, sarcophagus, sphinx, or a big built-up base would be quite nice as well, and add a lot to the model. As with all paper models, it's a good idea to reference pictures of the real thing throughout the model building process. To ensure the textures print well, try doing a few test prints of one page before printing the entire package, testing the various settings, quality, and paper type. Generally, different paper types influence the amount of ink used by the printer. We can also check off any draft settings or economy features for presentation quality if there's the option. Optionally, we can fill in the non-printed paper cut profile edges with a beige pencil crayon if any show up in the final model. The geometry of the Great Pyramid has a subtle crease or indentation on each of the four faces. The concave angle is only half to 1 degree and visible only under very particular weather conditions, so I would not recommend trying to represent it purposefully. That subtle indentation will probably happen naturally when installing and gluing the pieces into place. Something you can consider adding is a north arrow indicating the cardinal directions. The entrance is on the north face. The four faces of the structure are aligned quite accurately to the north east, south, and west directions. The built model shown is quite big, so I could get the textures and video, but the pieces are large and few of them. I imagine you can build the model at a much smaller scale just as well by indicating a different scale percent at print screen. This way you can build all 3 of the pyramids on the site, or make more of the site if you choose to. This was certainly one of the more interesting models to work on, with all the mystery and speculation around it. There are some really nice photos out there though to reference. I'm still not quite sure what the pyramid was used for. If you know, write in the comments below. Optionally, to add a little bit of 3D relief and realism to the model, we can cut out the interior pathway and glue it back offset in the same position using a bit of scrap paper and tape. We can fairly randomly align on the back some of the rectangular scrap pieces of paper and tape the shape along with these to the back. This ensures the pathway is 1 paper thickness wide and offset consistently. Just an idea, you can similarly cut out any other various voids or cutouts in the pyramid that you may think there are and not included in the model. As always, I try to pack the model with textures, realistic details, and make it easy for you to assemble, giving options. If you enjoyed watching this, please like and subscribe to the channel. It's free, and to see more similar content in the future. If you know someone who might enjoy this, please feel free to forward the video. Also, check out the other content on the channel. As with all build videos here, the template link can be found in the video description for each video, so you can get started right away. Let me know in the comments below or in the poll, what other models would you like to see build videos of in the future? Although there's a bit of a queue, it'll certainly be taken into account for future build videos. Hope you enjoy building and wish you all the best on your papercraft adventure, my friend. Cheers. Bye bye.